Yo, YouTube, what is going on? It is FC25 release day, and I'm already bringing you some awesome FC25 redeem codes. And today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get free packs in EA FC25. This is going to save you a bunch of money because this is going to get you 500,000 coins worth of packs. And it is super simple. Like I said, it uses a redeem code, and this tutorial is basically going to run you through the steps, and it's going to get you a ton of packs. Completely random choice of packs, guys, but they're completely free. And like I said, it is 500,000 value. So this is awesome, guys. I actually got some really rare players from my packs. I had some decent packs. So let's get into it. You need to use a mobile phone, open up the internet. So I'm using a iPhone. And I'm using Safari, but it doesn't matter which combination you use. Go to this website, www. Make sure you can actually spell, guys. I'm trying to look through the camera. www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys. Pause the video if you need to copy it. Just make sure you do go to the correct website. Now, Robot Coupons is a codes website. I used these back in FC24 and even in FC23 I use these, guys. And they're back again with FC25. So you need to search for the FC25 redeem codes page. There is a game code page, so make sure you don't click on that one, or unless you want the game and you've not got it, click on that one. But we're interested in this one, the FC25 redeem codes. There's a few different options on here. We're interested in the bottom one that says receive a random 500k selection of FC25 packs. So you can get some really rare ones, guys. It's completely random what ones you will get, but it basically will credit the packs to your account. Now, these redeem codes are limited, so you will need to unlock your personal free FC25 packs redeem code. Now, don't panic. It's not, I know it looks scary, but it's not. It literally only takes between 5 and 10 minutes. And this basically is a verification to prevent people from getting thousands and thousands of dollars worth of packs. This limits one code per person. So click unlock code. Now, I've already got my packs, like I said earlier, so I don't want to do this a second time because it's not really allowed. So I'm going to cancel that. But basically, guys, you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to verify yourself. It will take between 5 and 10 minutes, but it is worth it. Obviously, these packs are super expensive if you was to purchase the corresponding amount. But yeah, just follow the instructions, complete a couple of tasks, and once you've done that, your code will be revealed and you can redeem it in game, and it's going to give you a bunch of free packs in FC25. So hope you found this video useful. I know it was only a quick tutorial, but yeah, I found it pretty useful. So go to Robot Coupons, search for the FC25 redeem codes, and go ahead and unlock your free packs. So hope you found it useful. Smash the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.